Welcome to this short tutorial on how to download Dialog Builder for Dynamics 365. So go to magnetismsolutions.com and navigate towards our products. In here, you will see Dialog Builder for Dynamics 365. There's an option to buy now or begin your free trial. So if you click on free trial, there'll be a form for you to fill out, agree to the privacy policy and terms of use, and once you press submit, you will receive an email with details on how to install the solution. Within this email, there'll be a link to download the latest solution. So once you press this and download the file, you can navigate towards your environment and go to Solutions, press Import, and select the Dialog Builder zip file that you just downloaded through the link in the email. Go Next, and Import. This will begin importing the solution into your environment. Now you can see that Dialog Builder has successfully imported into your environment and is ready to use. If you have any problems or issues, just contact us here using our contact form on our website.